Welcome back to the channel. I'm at Mexico Cafe and I have on my plate beef shredded taco, beans and rice, a chile relleno, salsa, chips, some flour tortillas. Ooh, those are pretty hot. And some more sauce to go with this relleno. And I got a raspberry iced tea. Let's get this thing started. Let's try some of this chile relleno. Oh, look at that. Nice and steamy. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that cheese. All that melted cheese. Let's give it a taste test. Let's try some chips and salsa. Cheers. Let's try some of their beans and rice, right? I like to mix my beans and rice. Really good. Look at that. Beans and rice. Let's give it a taste test. Very good. Delicious. Let's take a taste of this raspberry iced tea. Cheers. I just want to say thank you for joining in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I'll catch you guys back on the next live video.